Artificial intelligence crypto projects have been on fire lately. Today we're going to take a look at one of my favorites, and it happens to be in the Cosmos ecosystem. That project is Fetch.ai. We're going to take a look at how you can buy the token and also how you can stake the token for rewards. Let's take a look. Okay, before I start this video on Fetch.ai, which I think is an awesome project, I want to go over a few things. The Circulate Money project rugged yesterday. All the money's gone. They pulled it. I'm pissed about it. Yeah, everybody should be pissed about it. For now on this channel, I'm not going to cover projects that don't have fully doxed devs. It's just not worth it. It's not worth it to you. It's not worth it to me. And also, I've never taken money at all to cover a project ever. I'm just basing all these projects on what I invest in and what I think is going to be good going into the next bull run. A lot of these degen projects, I'm just not going to cover anymore. It's just definitely not worth it. There's a lot of really good projects out there that I would rather cover instead. So I'm going to concentrate on looking for low market cap gem projects, also looking for farming and staking opportunities of blue chips. All right, let's take a look at Fetch.ai, artificial intelligence. The technology, it says here, Fetch Network provides all the necessary tools for builders to develop, deploy, and monetize their applications and platforms. They have a bunch of different sections on this for their ecosystem. We're not going to go over all of that today. We're just going to do a quick overview of what it is. Fetch is an autonomous machine-to-machine ecosystem. Fetch AI's agents work as a network of independent parties, interact with each other directly via the blockchain network. To perform their tasks, they connect and negotiate with one another. The process of autonomous economic agents finding, negotiating, and interacting with one another is all automated and requires no user input. This further removes the reliance on intermediaries, thereby reducing costs. Any resulting agreements between agents are then recorded on the Fetch AI blockchain using a FET token. That is the native token of the Fetch AI blockchain, is the main medium of exchange to pay for transactions and can be used to pay agents for providing services. And then lastly, incentives. We solve the problem of traditional federated learning, how to incentivize others to contribute to your model. You break down silos within your organization by creating new revenue streams for your vendors, customers, partner divisions, and partner organizations. Our reward system pays your stakeholders to contribute to your models to help you improve your products and operations. The FET token has huge use case because it is used for everything in the ecosystem. Okay, so it says, what is FET token? A FET token is a digital currency. The FET token is the primary medium of exchange within the Fetch.ai ecosystem. If you want to pay for services provided by Fetch AI, you pay in FET, much like you use USD to buy services in the United States. So FET is definitely has multiple use cases. So if you were to simplify this project, Fetch AI is trying to bring blockchain to artificial intelligence, and they're doing that by making an ecosystem that makes it easy for projects to integrate into and to communicate, to help these projects communicate easier and more efficiently, and it'll cost less money. And the FET token is a huge part of that, and that's why it's got a ton of use case. So if we take a look at the CoinGecko, we can take a look at the price and the tokenomics. Right now, the token's at 18.6 cents. It has pumped up considerably. I would not buy it at this point. I would wait for it to pull back. I'm doing this video just to show you how to stake it if you currently own it. If we look at the all-time high, though, it's $1.17 is the all-time high. So it's from this price here, it's over a 10x to its all-time high. So it's got a long way to go. If you were to get, I'm gonna buy her back down at like 9 to 10 cents. I would definitely buy more. But we're gonna learn how to stake the token today. Circulating supply currently is a little over 1 billion tokens, and the total supply is 1.152 billion. Okay, now is the time where I'm going to show you how to stake it. Okay, first things first, we need a Kepler wallet, and you have to have the Fetch.ai network loaded into it. And then we're going to go to Osmosis, app.osmosis.zone, and that's where we're going to swap our ATOM tokens for FET tokens. So first of all, we're going to connect our wallet. Once our wallet's connected, and we're going to deposit some tokens. So we're going to go down to ATOM, and we're going to deposit some ATOM, and it's going to take them from our Kepler wallet. So I have 6.12 in there. I'm going to do 2 ATOM tokens, and we're going to deposit that into Osmosis. Going to take a very small fee, nickel. We're going to approve that transaction. Once that goes through, then we're going to swap ATOM tokens for FET tokens. Again, the price is so high right now, it's pumped up. I'm just going to swap a little bit. So I'm going to swap 1/2 in ATOM to FET. And that's going to give me 32.28 FET. ATOM pumped up today, so I guess it's probably okay for me to swap one pump token for another. I wouldn't suggest buying it with USD today, though, because the price is so high, it's going to pull back eventually, and that's when I would buy. Okay, go ahead and swap. It's going to cost a tiny bit of Osmo token to put the transaction through on Osmosis, and then it broadcasts and it says successful. So we're good on that. Okay, if we look now, our FET is in our wallet. Now we got to send this the FET is in Osmosis. We have to send it to the wallet. So we have to withdraw. So we're going to approve a transaction to go from Osmosis to our Fetch.ai wallet. And we're going to do the full amount. We'll do all of it. We're going to hit withdraw FET. And it's going to charge us a tiny bit of Osmo again. And then once that goes through, then we're good to go to stake. So that goes through. We're going on to the next part. Now, this is the important part that I couldn't figure out at first. So the actual website to stake it on is called browse-fetchhub.fetch.ai. I will leave that in the description of the video, and I will try to put it across the screen here multiple times so you can see that, because I couldn't see that the first time I tried to stake. It's different than staking any of the other tokens on Kepler Wallet, because if you go to stake ATOM, you go to the Cosmos Hub, and it has a stake tab down here. You go to Fetch.ai down here, and you click on it, it does not. So you got to make sure that you're on this site, which is the blockchain for Fetch.ai, or they call it Block Explorer. It's browse-fetchhub.fetch.ai/validators. I'll run that across the screen a couple times, and I'll put it in the description of the video. Okay, something really cool I wanted to show you here. I found this website. It's called Smart Stake Analytics. And it shows all the different validators, and it shows how much is delegated to each, and it shows actually the APRs and the amount of voting power and all that stuff. So if we go down here, we can search in different ways. We can search by APR. If we want to go with the highest APR, would be these 4 or 5 here, and then it would tell us the amount of commission they take. So this one here takes only 0.75%, and if we click on it, it gives us more information. It actually goes to here and says the voting power. It says commission, max commission change rate is 1%. The current commission is 0.75%. It gives you the website, It gives all kinds of different things. So pretty cool. Okay, from what I looked up on this analytics sheet, I'm going to go with allnodes.com. So I think we can either click on it or we can just go back to the Explorer and find it. I found it here. We got to make sure we connect our wallet. And then once we connect our wallet, we'll go down to all nodes. There it is. Let's stake. And then we'll stake all of it. I think we have to type in amounts. We'll go with 39. Hit stake. And then, yeah, it'll be 1 penny in FET, so we'll hit approve. And then it should just take a minute, and it should go through, and we should be staked. Okay, the transaction went through, so now let's go to our wallet and make sure that it's there. So yes, so all of our FET is staked. So now I have a total of 47 FET staked in my Fetch.ai wallet. And if we want to see everything that's going on with our wallet, we just click on it. It'll show how much we have delegated. It'll show how much we have available. It'll show how many rewards we have. And if we go down a little further, it'll tell us where we have them staked. So I have some staked here in the all nodes, and I have some staked here in smart stake. So it looks like I got 8 in smart stake and I got 39 in all nodes. Staking process is a little more difficult than staking ATOM or Juno. There's a little more to it. As long as you have the correct website, which I'll link in the description, then you should be good to go. So that is staking the FET token. Okay, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Drop a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you as always, and have a great day.